Marty McFly. On there, GT500. Made it. Checking out this Bronco. I'm about to go check out Vanilla Ice's new Mustang. Bronco is probably like a 78, 79. Seen some better days. Got a soft top on it. But gotta love the Broncos, man. Thing's sweet. Mini 18.
Where's your teeth?
Look at them gold chains. Yeah, about to check out Vanilla Ice's car.
Here, I'll take it. Right there, he wants to. Well, I saw his hat, I didn't see his face.
Oh, me here?
Yeah.
Okay. Check 1, 2. All right. There goes my left eardrum. Hey, just wanted to say that we got a new show coming out. Me and my buddy Wes Kane over here. We have the TV show that we do about construction still. We're still doing that, but we have another show because of my obsession with cars. In the third quarter of this year on History Channel, we have a car show coming. It's called Mythical Rides with Vanilla Ice. So you're going to see this car on there and many, many more. And we're going to gather a lot of local people here and get them involved in it. So we're going to put this on the map. This is not just Palm Beach. We're going to send it all around the world. So stay tuned for the Mythical Rides coming out on History Channel. And thank you guys for joining us for the 90s, man. This just makes, like, I swear I'm a teenager right now. I'm just goosebumps and I'm just loving life. This car brings back all those cool pop culture memories, you know, and that's what it's all about. You know, it's a photographic album without looking at the photograph. You know, it brings back all the great memories and just, you know, what a great time we had in the 90s. And this is it, you know. This, Beavis and Butthead, Ninja Turtles, and cassette decks. That's what it was all about, man. And we did not dance like this. We did not dance like that. And this right here, this is just hopping on one leg. We didn't do that. And we didn't play Fortnite. We did not play Fortnite. We didn't even have that. But we did dance, and we invented house parties and block parties in the 90s. And instead of like trying to get our kids out of the home like we do today, they don't even want to leave. They're stuck playing Fortnite. We got in trouble for not coming home on time, right? That's the 90s. Anyway, thank you guys for enjoying Cars and Coffee today and enjoying this special moment for us. We appreciate all you guys. Go Ninja, go Ninja, go! Go Ninja, go Ninja, go! I had to do it. Thank you guys.
We're going video.
Video and Auto Addiction YouTube channel.
Oh boy, get in where you fit in.
What's up, man? Alright guys, so we're out here at Cars and Coffee. This place is insanely packed. Waited what, like an hour to get out of about an hour to get out of traffic off 95. It only took 2 hours to drive here. And this place is jam-packed. Put some photos in here of Vanilla Ice's new Mustang. Well, redone Mustang. And we got to meet him, get a couple photos with him. Pretty sweet. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty awesome. So we'll get some more in here. Tons of cars. We'll get some more video for y'all. You guys keep on watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and Auto Addiction coming at you.
He looks kind of pissed